Hi everyone, I'm Katie, I'm a makeup artist, and what I'm going to show you today is how I cheat killer cheekbones. So what I'm going to be using is this by Terry stick. It's a glow stick, it's a dewy product, it's a cream product, and it's got a little brush on the end. I'm going to be using this to show you how to get cheekbones that you can hang coat hangers on. So okay, so what we're going to do, twist up the stick, and you can see that there are two colours here. You've got a peach and you've got a shimmery highlighter. Now we're going to be using the shimmery highlighter side. So I'm going to twist up the colour, and then we are going to lightly tap this on top of your cheekbone, okay? So then we're going to rub in with your finger. Lush, can you see that? When you move in the light picks up the highlighter. So the placement is very important. It needs to be just on top of your cheekbone. I'll show you again on the other side. So if you want, this is your hollow, this is your cheekbone. You can push and feel where your bone is, and you want it to be just on the upper side of that. So you can see where I'm placing it. Now, if you want, you don't want to use a finger, you can use the little brush that's on the end. They both work just the same, your finger and the brush, but it's little tapping motions like this, just to blend it in gently. There we go. When I move, you can see, oh my goodness, looks amazing. So now we've got our killer cheekbones. To emphasize the shape, we are going to put a little bit of this orange color onto our apples of our cheeks. And this is just going to help create a youthful flush, always in the apples. And then with our fingers, we are going to blend that. I find it easier with my fingers and to do it simultaneously rather than use the brush of that product, because you can make it even. So using your fingers, lightly tapping, lightly blending at the same time in the same motion keeps everything symmetrical. So now we have got our gorgeous killer cheekbones and we've got a youthful flush in the cheeks. I'm going to show you one extra trick that you can do with this product to really make your makeup pop. It's going to be involving a Q-tip. So take your Q-tip, rub it onto the highlighter part of this stick and just roll your Q-tip. And then we are going to pop it in the inner corner of our eye. And what this does is it really opens your eye, makes them pop, makes them sparkle, makes them stand out, highlight them. Instant results. It really is a good little trick for making your makeup pop. So there we have it, the final look, killer cheekbones and a little pop in the eye. I hope that you've enjoyed that. If you want to know more about the By Terry highlighter, you can click the link below or above, depending on where you're watching this video. I hope that you've enjoyed that, and I'll see you soon on the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.